Hey guys, Attila here with RAVELCO again. We're beginning an installation on yet another F250 350 diesel. These are the most frequently installed trucks that we work on. They're stolen very frequently. We have the keys for this truck, but we're not going to need them. This truck was recently recovered from a theft. And as you can see, the thieves broke the ignition cylinder. So now the truck starts with any object, your finger, doesn't make a difference. The key barely goes in it. We're going to install a RAVELCO right in this location. Without the RAVELCO, it's not going to start, it's not going to run. It's essentially going to replace the ignition cylinder and provide protection for the truck. Hey guys, here we are again. The install is not complete of the RAVELCO. I'll demonstrate how it works. Right now, with the plug-in, the truck is completely normal. Normal in the sense that you could start it without a key. Without the RAVELCO, the truck doesn't run. Without it, again, will not start. Do it again. RAVELCO's in place. Works beautifully. One of the weakest points of an F250 is its dash. It takes less than 2 seconds to get underneath here and access the wires. From what I understand, thieves don't even have to do that. They simply jam a flathead screwdriver into the ignition cylinder and start the truck. Looks like this one had some sort of alarm installed previously. This truck was just stolen and recovered. Now with the RAVELCO in it, it won't happen again.